Welcome to my instructional video for animating a 3D model for Unity using Mixamo. This instructional video is intended for users that have beginner knowledge with the Unity game development software. 3 programs are required in order to follow along with the instructional video. These 3 are Unity Hub, the Unity Editor, and Blender for 3D editing. The purpose of this instructional video is to clearly show the steps needed to use Mixamo, a powerful online tool for animating custom 3D models. There will also be a bonus section featuring a custom script that will add the After Images effect to your animated 3D model. Let's begin. Step 1. Create a new Unity project. Click on New Project at the top right corner of the Unity Hub window. Select the 3D Core template in the list of templates. On the right-hand side of the window, give the project a name and decide its location on your disk. Click on the Create Project button at the bottom of the window. Optionally, you may want to create an object for your model to stand on. To do so, right-click inside the hierarchy window, select 3D Object, and create a plane. You may optionally adjust the camera or the plane as you see fit. Step 2. Importing a 3D model. Note, for this tutorial, a free 3D model on the Unity store will be found and used. However, you may use your own custom 3D model if available. Click on the Window drop-down option located on the top bar. Select Asset Store, which will open a browser window using your system's default browser. Search for a model on the Unity store. Zombie is used in this example. Select 3D Model and select Free Assets. Import the assets into your Unity project. Note that the important files that contain 3D models will be listed as FBX, sometimes as OBJ. Optionally, you may import the materials and textures that come with the model, if applicable. Open the location on your hard disk where the 3D model files have been saved. Step 3. Use Blender to save the 3D model as an OBJ file. Launch Blender and delete any default objects that appear in the scene. Import the FBX or OBJ file you received from the Asset Store. Note that if the model already has its own armature rigging, remove it here by locating the armature bones, which are indicated by a green icon. Click on it and delete it. Note that the model may change orientation. Export the scene as an OBJ file. Note that if the model did change orientation, here you adjust the forward axis of the model when saving the OBJ. Step 4. Upload to Mixamo and download the animations. Navigate to mixamo.com either directly or through Google search. Note that you will need to create a free account if you have not previously done so. Upload your OBJ file from Blender by clicking on the Upload Character button. Drag the OBJ file into the box as prompted. Rig your model by placing the locations of the chin, wrists, elbows, knees, and groin as directed. Note that Mixamo will not be able to detect a model that has floating or separate body parts. Ensure the 3D model is one continuous structure. Select an animation from the list of free animations. Adjust it as you see fit, and then click on the Download button. Step 5. Import to Unity and animate. Drag the downloaded Mixamo file into any folder of your Unity project. Copy the animation file, indicated by the green triangle, and paste it in the folder. You may want to rename it. Drag the 3D model into the scene and select the object in the hierarchy window. Click on the Window drop-down option at the top bar. Navigate to Animation and select Animation. Click the Create button to make a new animation clip. The name of this clip is not important. Double-click on the newly created Animator controller. In the Animator window, select the animation connected to the entry state. You may want to rename it. Drag the animation that we copied and pasted earlier into the Motion box. Play the scene, and the model will now have its Mixamo animation. Note that if you want the animation to be looped, click on the animation and enable loop time. That concludes the process for animating a 3D model for Unity using Mixamo.